all start early in this attempt. We have to make a clear-cut plan, clear-cut vision as to what do we want to do by learning German. Whether we want to do a particular course in the university. So at least minimum 4 years we should look back. We should start before. So that is the message that definitely I want to give to the parents and to the students themselves. So many times students are not that mature, so it is the duty of the parents to take this call, decide for themselves, and maybe this preparation of learning language, because to learn a new language like German, you do require time. It is like it's like constructing a multi-storied building. You have to learn a language brick by brick. Every day you have to learn and improve your language. So start very early, because there are certain logistic problems. I won't say logistic problem, but there are issues that have to be handled and which take time. So that is my first, I would say, recommendation to all those who are planning to learn German.